Hello students, in this video you will learn about revaluation account. How to prepare revaluation account in partnership in case of admission or retirement of partner. First of all, what is revaluation account? Revaluation account is prepared when there is change in value of asset and liabilities due to admission of any partner or due to retirement of any partner. That change of assets and liabilities are recorded in a new account which is known as revaluation account. How it is prepared? The format is particulars amount it is debit side and here it is credit side. On the debit side, if the value of asset decreases, it will be shown on debit side. If the value of asset decreases, it will be shown on debit side. To decrease in value of asset, and if value of asset increases, then it will be shown on credit side of revaluation account by increase in value of assets. Now liabilities, if value of liability increases, it will be shown on debit side of revaluation account. To increase in value of liabilities, and if value of liabilities decreases, it will be shown on credit side of revaluation account by decrease in value of liabilities. If there is any unrecorded asset, it will be shown on credit side of revaluation account by unrecorded asset. That asset which was not recorded in past or in previous account, it will be recorded now in revaluation account. And if there is any unrecorded liabilities, it will be shown on debit side of revaluation account. To unrecorded liabilities. If there is any type of expense, it will be shown on debit side of revaluation account to bank account. Now after that, if debit side is more than credit side, if debit side is more than credit side, it will be loss, and if credit side is more than debit side, it will be profit. अगर डेबिट साइड कम आएगा तो प्रॉफिट होगा, और अगर क्रेडिट साइड कम आएगा तो लॉस होगा. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, the profit and loss on revaluation is always distributed in all partners in all ratio. The profit and loss of revaluation account is always distributed in all partners in all ratio. In case of admission and in case of retirement, in both cases, the profit and loss of revaluation is always distributed in all partners in all ratio. If here the amount is less, then it will be loss. Why loss? Transferred to old partners capital account in old ratio. If here the amount is less in debit side, it will be profit. To profit transferred to old partners capital account in old ratio. Now we will balance this revaluation account and it will be closed. Okay, this is the format of revaluation account in case of admission or retirement of partner. Now, how to pass journal entry of revaluation? Okay. Journal entry on revaluation of assets and liabilities. Suppose first case, decrease in value of assets. If the value of asset decreases, the firm incurs loss. So we know that the rule of nominal account is all expense and losses are debited. In place of profit and loss, we have to open a new account. It is revaluation account. Loss is debited, so in place of loss, revaluation account will be debited. Revaluation account debit to sundry assets account. The amount will be by how much the value of asset is decreases. Second case, suppose there is increase in value of asset. If the value of asset increases, firm incurs profit, and we know that all profit and incomes are credited. So profit will be credited. In case of profit, I have told you that revaluation account will be opened. So here revaluation account will be credited. So entry will be sundry asset account debit to revaluation account. Now third case, in revaluation of asset and liabilities, suppose there is decrease in value of liabilities. If the value of liabilities decreases, you know that firm will incur profit and profit is credited, and so in place of profit we will credit revaluation account. Liabilities account debit to revaluation account. If now fourth case, if the value of liability increases, increasing value of liabilities. If liability of firm increases, the firm incurs loss, and loss is always debited. In place of loss, we will debit revaluation account. Revaluation account debit to liabilities account. So, like this, the journal entry is made for revaluation of assets and liabilities. Thank you, students.